8th grade math placement test. Number 1, a cookie recipe calls for the following ingredients: 1 1/4 cups flour, 3/4 cup sugar, 1/2 cup chocolate chips, 1/4 cup peanuts. What is the total amount of all 4 ingredients? Number 2, what is the value of the expression below? Number 3, using the values below, calculate the volume of the rectangular prism. Number 4, a spinner has 4 equal sectors colored yellow, blue, green, and red. When spinning the spinner, what is the probability of landing on each color? Number 5, Dan is buying sweatshirt that regularly costs $40. It is on sale for 10% off. If the tax rate is 5%, which of the following is closest to the sales price of the sweatshirt, including tax? Number 6, what is the next number in the pattern? Number 7, what's the square root of 36? Number 8, for which equation is 7, 5 a solution? Number 9, to get to school, you need to walk 9 blocks south on Main Street and then 12 blocks east on Penn Street. What is the diagonal distance from your starting point? Number 10, there are 250 people at the mall and 148 have brown hair. Approximately what percent of the people have brown hair? Number 11, Frank bought a pair of sneakers on sale for 50% off the original price. The store had an additional discount of 25% off all items. If the sneakers originally cost $80, what was the final sales price that Frank paid? Number 12, the graph below shows the average temperature for the last 4 days. Given this data, what is a reasonable estimate for Friday's temperature? Number 18, a rectangular prism has a length of 4, a height of 6, and a width of 3. What is the surface area of the prism? Number 19, if 3x minus 4 equals 8, what is the value of x? Number 20, solve the following equation. Number 21, if you flip the same coin 5 times, what is the probability that it will result in the following combination? Heads, heads, tails, tails, tails. 22. George bought 14 2/10 gallons of gasoline priced at X dollars per gallon, 2 quarts of oil priced at Y dollars per quart, and a wiper blade at $3.79. Which expression represents the total cost of these items? Number 23, if a gallon of paint will cover 300 square feet, how many gallons of paint will be needed to paint the walls shown below? Number 13, name the coordinate of point E on the graph below. Number 14, find the measure in degrees of the smallest angle in this triangle. (15) To change a distance from meters to millimeters, you will need to Number 16, find the missing value in the example below. Number 17. In a triangle, one of the angles measures 70 degrees. If the measure of a second angle is 80 degrees, what is the measure of the remaining angle? Number 24. Using the box and whisker plot, determine the greatest height. Number 25. Which equation represents the graph below? Number 26. The data in the table below represents a linear function. Write the function rule. Number 27. Solve for x if 3x minus 7 equals 14. Number 28. What is the measurement of angle 2 plus angle 3? Triangles are classified according to their angle measurements. What is the sum of the angles of a triangle? Number 30. What are the total possible outcomes of tossing a coin 4 times?